space. Yeah, knows this shit.
What's good, YouTube? Back to it, another video. And today's video, we're finna be going over to a car meet. Finna drive over there, see how everything goes. But I don't know. I don't really have much to say. It's a short intro, but we're gonna start up the car for y'all boys. I'm gonna give y'all boys a cold start. Oh, got the kill switch. And my check engine light is on. Why? Personally, I don't know. Well, I do know, but it's being gay. Because I literally changed the issue and then it just popped up again. So it might be something else, but I'm gonna figure that out soon. But I gotta go hit a gas station, so I'm gonna get to when we get to the gas station. We're just chilling at the gas station. Some cool ass cars right there, bruh. Bro's pumping like gas into the front. I don't know what type of car that is, but it's cool. What is it? A Pagani?
What did he say? What?
No. That's a Porsche, bruh. That's a Porsche. What the hell? That shit's cool as fuck. Oh.
I said, Wawa, you know you gotta get them rewards. I owe you.
Why?
15 cents off per gallon?
Open it real quick.
Yo, why are you just letting him like molest your bike right now?
He's trying to see how big my gas tank is.
What if that shit just exploded? We're gonna run into him. Sorry.
You trying to kill me? Watch out! My kickstand was down. See what you made me do?
Learn how to drive your bike, buddy.
Yo, buddy, learn how to reverse with a backup cam.
Oh, I did it on purpose.
5-piece laptop dinner with the zip sauce.
We're headed over now towards the car meet. Down, I don't even know what it is. Is it west, south? It's not south, I know that. It's not north. So it's either south or west, but
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
you know what I meant. You lucky I can't reach your kill switch, pal.
What?
You're lucky I can't reach your kill switch.
Yeah. I'll turn your kill switch on, buddy.
It is on, Goofy.
Watch. Oh, shit. Why isn't that started?
I can get you right, but well, hey, I ain't gonna be cheap.
Oh, wait, my kill switch is still off. I'm fried.
Yo,
Whose demon is this?
whose demon is this, bro?
Schrager.
The Archangel Demon?
How many doors does he think we can fit in? Shit.
And it's on a drag pack, too?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, it's just pushing. That's your car? Beautiful car, man.
Look.
Would you buy a Demon?
Yeah, but this is stock.
No, it's not.
The only thing you've done to it is a drag pack.
Are you serious?
Swear to God, that's what you just said. Track. Because it gets so hot. It's insane.
That car is actually so beautiful. And then we got my car, obviously. Best car here.
Glazing from Long Range.
Hard. Huh?
Follow me. You want to see the real hard? Follow me.
I'm following you, bro. Where are we going? This car right here?
Right here.
M8 with the carbon fiber all over. This is probably one of the toughest M8s I've seen. Yo, what is this? This is a Porsche? Yo! Oh my god, bro, where's his exhaust? Oh nah, this is fast. It's one of them fast Porsches. Are they on slicks? Or maybe this bitch shoot flames, I don't know. The BBS's, yo? Stupid. With the carbon fiber. Bro, why is bro wearing a ski mask?
What? What did he say?
Why are you wearing a ski mask, bro? What's up, man? Chillin'. Bro, play some music, bro.
What music do you want? We're playing a song about some Hondas, bro. What? We're playing some Honda songs. What is it talking about? I don't know. I heard it come through. What song do you want?
Why are you playing $1 million?
Kind of stuff.
It's some like
I don't play Hellcat music.
like Hispanic shit or some hot shit.
It's all Hispanic music on this shit.
All Hispanics, bro. Straight Boss Man, D-Lo, Drake.
There's literally 2 Drake songs out of all the Hispanic songs.
I know, I'm just trolling you, fam. I'm trolling you. Bro, that guy just took off right in front of us. And I missed it.
Oh God, you dumb, bro. We gotta be recording all the time.
I should have had it in my Metaband.
Not the Metaband.
What is in this car? Big ass Nissan Cam, 24 valve with a turbo on it. I don't know. I literally just said what was on there. Oh. What is it on though? Yo, this is like, is this the 14, the 14 JZ? This shit's too clean. Rev it!
What the hell? They're turning this bitch into a takeover. What the fuck?
Oh, that boy goated.
Oh no!
I'm finna dip, man.
That's D-Tech. Oh my god. Y'all boys better watch out before he hits you. Oh my god, I thought he was hitting. He's going backwards! He's going backwards! Bro! Oh my god! Yo!
I ain't getting hit. Yo, what the fuck?
Damn! Damn!
Bro, I ran out of storage.
And he's coming back for more!
Oh, nah, do it for me, bro.
Do something.
I ran out of storage.
I did it.
I thought I blew you enough.
That's hard. Yo, that Akara knows better than to go again. There's no way. There's no way. I think he knows better. I think he knows better. What happened?
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Yo, is he doing it or not? Bro. Yo, who does that guy think he is, bro? He just keeps circling around.
Somebody said you got a big ass rock.
Bro, this guy keeps coming back for more. Bro, he's back. We can't leave, bro. We can't leave yet, fam. He's gonna do some shit again. Yo, he's doing it again. Oh my god, he almost mad. Oh my god, he almost mad. Once we get to this light, we're finna get out of Troller's house. Watch. Who does this kid think he is? Got him, we almost got him. I almost did. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next. Till then, peace.